According to Statista, over 2 billion people purchased goods or services online in 2020 alone, and global e-commerce revenues topped $4.2 trillion. An assessment in 2021 found that 37% of people now buying stuff online were doing so through affiliate links. Guys, I'd also like to mention to you that the top affiliate marketing programs are frequently free to join, so getting started isn't expensive. Additionally, you could transition from a side hustle to a thriving firm that generates passive revenue over time. Are you feeling overwhelmed and wondering where to start? In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide to help you get up and running quickly. However, before we go too deep into this, please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. So how exactly does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing is a sales technique in which a firm pays a third party to sell its product or service on its behalf. They are affiliate marketers if you've ever listened to a podcast or seen a social media influencer endorse a product. They receive a commission on any sales that arise from their referral in exchange for recommending products or services to their audience. After you've chosen an affiliate marketing program, you will be provided with a unique link or code that will allow the companies to track every consumer you refer to them. You will be paid a commission if a customer purchases the product after clicking on your link. Now let us go through how the standard affiliate program works briefly. To begin, simply advertise a store or brand on your website, blog, or social media platform. If someone clicks your unique link and subsequently purchases from that store, the company or affiliate network will record the transaction. You will now receive a commission if the purchase is confirmed by the store. That's all there is to it. But before you get excited already, there are other decisions you have to make, which we will be looking at in a few steps. Number 1. Decide on a niche. A niche is a subset of a broader market that is distinguished by its distinct qualities. It becomes your specialty in the topic for which you will be known. Travel blogging, pet care, and tiny homes are all affiliate marketing niches. A niche is a deliberate business choice that is made to serve a certain customer group. It aids in the development of a loyal audience that will purchase your products over competitors. So how you go about identifying a successful niche that piques your interest? This is dependent on if you desire to learn more about the niche. You'll need to become a subject matter expert on your niche over time this way. The only way to acquire expert status is to constantly learn and keep up with trends. You must also be able to solve problems using it. Affiliate marketers usually have special training or experience in a certain niche. This offers them new ways to present information and assist people in solving difficulties. And the most crucial factor to consider is whether it is profitable. You can run a quick Google search to see how popular your niche is. Examine the level of competition in the market. Examine market reports. A crowded niche isn't always a bad thing because it indicates that there are people willing to buy. The idea is to choose a niche that you are interested in. You won't be making six figures overnight. Running an affiliate business requires dedication and time. If you already enjoy doing it, you're more likely to keep doing it no matter how much money comes in. Number 2. Choose your platform. The next step is to decide on a platform for your business. Each affiliate marketer has a unique platform and strategy. While some marketers may use their Instagram accounts to make affiliate commissions, others focus purely on blogging or TikTok. However, as a newbie, you have two major methods, one of which is the product review sites. These websites evaluate companies' products for a specific audience and compare them to one another. They can also provide buyer's guides and product tutorials to assist customers in making purchasing decisions. Digital content is the second method. Bloggers, social media influencers, and YouTubers are examples of content creators in this method. These individuals consistently post material that resonates with their target audience in order to gain influence and drive up clicks. Affiliate marketing relies heavily on authenticity and audience engagement. If you can't connect with your target audience, they're less likely to buy the things you offer. If you're unsure about which platform to use, I'd advise you to begin with a platform that you are familiar with. If you enjoy creating social media videos, make Instagram your platform. If you're a good writer, blogging can be the greatest option for you. Simply developing a platform that you are familiar with can assist you in creating content that connects with your audience and increases your affiliate sales. Number 3. Find relevant affiliate marketing programs. There are numerous affiliate marketing programs available. It is used by 80% of businesses. As a result, it's critical that you locate the program that's perfect for you. Make sure to look for affiliate offers and items that will appeal to your target audience, rather than just high-paying affiliate programs. Now, let's look at a few things to check for while selecting an affiliate program. First, try to see if the program has a good market reputation. You surely don't want to collaborate with partners who are untrustworthy. Fortunately, affiliate networks such as Share a Sale and ClickBank verify programs and connect you with trustworthy, successful merchants to partner with. Another factor to consider is the program's commission rate. You surely want to get paid well for your time and work. Some programs provide 10% to 20% commissions on sales. Just choose a rate that works for you. Finally, look to see if it has high earnings per click rate. The EPC is a widely used industry indicator that displays the average affiliate earnings per 100 clicks across a merchant's program. Networks like Share a Sale show you this information for each merchant. Modern Nursery, for example, gives a 5% commission, but its EPC is $38.20, which means you could earn nearly $40 every click. Choosing the right programs is essential for having a profitable affiliate company. You can also ask your favorite brands whether they have an ambassador or affiliate program to locate good affiliate opportunities. That way, you can promote products you already appreciate and enjoy. Number 4. Create valuable content. According to Statista, people worldwide spent an average of 170 minutes online in 2019. This demonstrates that people are devouring content. Nevertheless, if you want to stand out, you must make yours relevant to your target audience. Blogs are an excellent way to accomplish this, as they generate traffic for 65% of all affiliate marketers. You don't have to own a website to be an affiliate marketer. Promoting on social media is a simple and free way to get your material in front of individuals who might be interested. Pinterest, for example, offers affiliate opportunities based on the pins on your various boards. There are a lot of affiliate marketers who only use social media. However, if you have a blog, you must research and comprehend search engine optimization, known as SEO. SEO drives more traffic than organic social media by over 1,000%. It is critical to conduct keyword research and apply SEO correctly to reach your target audience. Email marketing is another method for retaining clients who have already visited your website. Number 5. Build an audience. To establish an audience, you must first engage them. Creating email lists allows you to reach out to your target audience directly. Anyone who signs up for your email list will receive newsletters, updates on new material, and intriguing deals. Follow and tag influencers who may be interested in your field if you mostly operate on social media. The goal is to do everything possible to drive traffic to your website or social media page. Retaining them is only the first step. Now you must establish trust between you and your audience to keep them coming back. You can write on topics that will provide value to your audience and help them connect and make better and more educated decisions about the options available to them. Don't try to sell anything to your audience only to make quick money. They will trust you more if they sense your genuine interest. Number 6. Follow FTC regulations. The FTC safeguards consumers against fraudulent marketing practices. Unfortunately, there are affiliate marketers that are eager to advertise fraud and deceptive products and services to make a quick profit. To avoid this, the FTC requires affiliate marketers to declare any financial relationships they have with the businesses or goods they promote. In summary, to comply with the FTC, you must inform your audience that you are compensated for advertising the things you are pushing, and you must always inform them when a link is an affiliate link. That's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do well to kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.